Your AI coloring pages look wrong. The preview seems impressive, but print it and you find muddy gray shading, broken outlines, cramped details, and fuzzy raster edges. A coloring page generator should create art people can actually color, not a monochrome. AI image. Here is the clean, editable SVG workflow. Most image generators are trained to add texture, lighting, shadows, and visual noise. Those instincts are useful for pictures and terrible for coloring pages. Children need open shapes. Adults need detailed regions that still breathe. Printers need strong black lines. And publishers need consistent pages that can be revised without starting over. SVG Genie turns a plain English scene brief into editable vector line art. Describe the audience, subject, composition, page size, outline weight, detail level, and exclusions. You get real SVG source with clean geometry that stays sharp in print and can be adjusted path by path. The daily queue was exhausted, so I checked 5 unused replacement topics with data for SEO, coloring pages, decals, laser cut files, packaging designs, and social media posts. Coloring Page Generator leads with about 1,900 monthly US searches and low-paid competition. The YouTube results focus on AI testing and KDP. The missing promise is editable vector line art built for real coloring. This workflow covers preschool shapes, kids' animals, classroom worksheets, fantasy scenes, botanical pages, geometric patterns, holiday activities, travel journals, mindfulness, books, personalized gifts, and printable party packs. Each audience needs a different detail level, but every strong page needs clear regions and intentional whitespace. Start with the coloring experience. For example, create a cozy woodland coloring page for children ages 7 to 10. Show a friendly fox reading beneath oversized mushrooms with a moon, leaves, and 3 small stars. Use US letter portrait proportions, a clear focal point, and generous margins. Then state the constraints image models usually ignore: bold closed black outlines, large white fill areas, consistent stroke weight, no gray, no shadows, no gradients, no cross-hatching, no text, no cropped objects, and clean editable SVG. Ask for moderate detail that remains comfortable to color with crayons or markers. A few seconds later, you have several vector directions rather than one flattened bitmap. The fox, book, mushrooms, leaves, and background shapes remain separate. You can simplify a busy corner, widen a narrow space, remove an object, adjust line weight, or create a new page without retracing the art. Compare the deliverables. Grayscale: AI picture only resembles a coloring page. Soft pixels, open gaps, and fake shading become obvious on paper. A true SVG coloring master stores the outlines as geometry, so lines stay crisp, regions remain editable, and every export starts from clean source. Use this prompt formula. Name the target age, subject, story moment, composition, page dimensions, and difficulty. Define line color, stroke weight, white space size, border, margins, and prohibited effects. Finish with closed outlines, no shading, no clipped objects, printable black and white, and clean editable SVG output. Match complexity to the colorist. Preschool pages need a few large shapes. School-age pages can add story details and varied regions. Adult pages can become intricate, but they still need a focal point and space for the hand to move. More detail is not automatically more satisfying. Always print at actual size. Check that every outline survives a basic home printer. Nothing falls outside the safe margin, small gaps do not close up, and dark clusters do not dominate the page. Color 1. Copy yourself. 10 minutes with a real pencil exposes problems a full-screen preview hides. Once one page works, build a coherent series. Keep the stroke weight, character proportions, border, page density, and complexity consistent. Then vary the pose, setting, supporting objects, and story moment. A book feels intentional when every page belongs to the same visual world. Because the result is SVG, designers can refine paths in Figma or Illustrator, teachers can adapt a worksheet, parents can personalize a scene, and publishers can export high-resolution PNG or print PDF files without losing edge quality. Keep the vector master even when the delivery format changes. The real payoff is not generating one page faster. It is owning clean source for an entire printable system. One editable visual language replaces muddy AI outputs, manual tracing, inconsistent characters, repeated cleanup, and books where every page looks like it came from a different generator. You can try SVG Genie free with no credit card required. After that, credit packs start at $9 with no subscription to cancel. If one editable page avoids manual tracing or becomes the foundation for a coordinated activity pack, the value is immediate. So stop publishing gray AI pictures disguised as coloring pages. Go to speedgenie.com, describe the audience, scene, and print constraints, generate clean editable SVG line art, color test one real sheet, and keep a sharp vector master for every Page, revision, printable, classroom, and future book.